Stop throwing marketing darts in the dark, and let's shed some light on what's really working using Google Analytics. First, make sure you have a Google Analytics account set up and linked to your website. It's the vital first step. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Acquisition tab on the left-hand menu. Think of this as your marketing campaign central. Expand the All Traffic section and click on Source Medium. This reveals where your website traffic is coming from: Google search, social media, email marketing, the works. Analyze the data. See which sources are sending you the most valuable traffic. Are they spending time on your site and converting? Pay close attention to metrics like bounce rate, pages per session, and session duration to gauge engagement. Now, let's talk conversions. Head over to the Conversions tab. This is where you track specific actions you want users to take, like signing up for a newsletter, downloading a resource, or making a purchase. You'll need to set these goals up within Google Analytics beforehand. Compare the conversion rates across different traffic sources. This shows you which channels are not only driving traffic but also actually turning visitors into leads or customers. This is crucial for understanding your return on investment, or ROI, for each campaign. Use this data to refine your marketing strategies. Do more of what works, cut back on what doesn't, and continually test and optimize your campaigns based on the insights Google Analytics provides. Now, you're making data-driven decisions.